So I blew up a fuse on the Himiway, and the fuse is actually inside the battery. They are very, very good with the customer service, but I'm not sure if they're going to send you a new battery if it's just a fuse. There is a seal over here, which I'm going to remove. So how do you know your battery is shot? These are negatives, this is positive. So you could put your positive probe in here, negative probe in here, and get a reading. Now, first of all, you're not going to have any power whatsoever on your dashboard. So that's how you know that you get no power from the battery. If you have no power over here on these probes, on these prongs, if you have no power over here, then your fuse is broken. So the fuse is right behind here, but it's a little bit tricky to get to it. So first you have to take all these 6 or 8 bolts out. Make sure you have the proper screwdriver so you don't strip them. So make sure you get a small head screwdriver. I think it's number 1. So here we go. This is the little controller, should come off. Now, because you don't have any voltage, you could grab it with a pair of needle nose pliers. So you can't really make a short because you don't have any voltage on these prongs. And now this should come out too. So we're gonna pull this one out. Okay, and get it out of the way. If you look inside here, the fuse is like right there. This is the fuse over here. So you have to pull this one out. Now this one is going to be glued on for anti-vibration purposes. With a pair of a screwdriver, you could remove this slowly, remove all the glue out. Remember, there is voltage over here. Even though with the fuse blown, you have voltage on the other side. So you should be careful when you do this. And here it is. And here's the fuse. So pull it out. Easier said than done. There it is. And this is a 40 amp fuse and it's blown. So I have a set of fuses over here. This is a 40. I had to order them special. They don't have 40s over here. I think even a 30 will work, but I put a 30 in it and I had another short. Usually it happens, you blow the fuse when you put the battery back into the bike. Has a little spark and then it just shorted out. So I ordered a 40. So this is a 40. I'm going to put it in here. There should be no sparks when you put the fuse in. So you shouldn't have any problems. Now these wires are strong enough to hold this so the vibration is not going to really break it, so I don't glue it back in, but it's recommended to put some silicone or a little bit of glue just to hold it together really, really well. So I'm just going to shove it back into place. Remember, this you can't turn the battery off, so these prongs are live right now. So if we're going to measure them, and everything line up that way so we could see. We should get voltage right now. So it is 54 volts. So the battery was charging with no problem. It has not a fuse on the top side, but the bottom side is where the fuse was blown. So with the fuse verified, we're gonna put this one in. The wires won't let you put it in the wrong way, but be mindful of the fact that you don't want to flip it around. So this goes back in here. And then the cap goes back on, and then negative and positive. I think it's this way. So love my Himiway. Works really, really great when it works, but when it's pending parts and fuse is blown, this is gonna be quite a nuisance. I'm glad that I was able to fix it. I hope you are successful also. If Himiway wants to make this product better, they should have put a fuse here outside so you could just easily pop it and just put another one in. And then the same thing with a charging fuse. There's a charging fuse over here which is like 5 amps. So if that one breaks, then you have to take the entire battery apart and work inside, which is also possible. So, by the way, this is the TurnLife battery, lithium ion, 48 volt, 17.5 amps, 840 watt hour. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out.